We're back out here in Medina, North Dakota, and what we're doing is we're just doing some final tweaks on this ADX2230 cart. So what's really important is that these two come together correctly, and it's not that easy. There's so many adjustments. I'll show you guys how this works. So that latch comes open, it releases this intermediate manifold assembly, and we're also adjusting. There's some bearings that guide this thing. I call it the sled. It guides the sled up and down the rail. We had to add some shims right here. Riley's over there finishing shimming out the latch so that it always latches when it's engaged, or when we want it to. I had to leave a little early last time, and Isaac and the guys, they really got it pretty well wrapped up and done and ready. Look at these depth adjusters. Those are solved now. They're not sloppy. They're back to what it was new. I know there's a little slop side to side, but this is gonna last for a long time. We got recon blockage monitor system here. That's gonna tell you when there's any problems back here or with the cart. New discs, main open arm pivots there, a few new gauge wheels, but we got all new closing wheel arm pivots, closing wheel arms, the bearings in the arm. That's something that we did to take care of the bearing problems here. And then what you do is you get a John Deere style closing wheel. So that's just a wheel with a spindle, and really good options on the aftermarket side. And we went with the Copperhead Ag drill cruisers. They even got the caps all lined up. There's our maiden voyage right there. Are you gonna be happy with this job?
Oh yeah, yeah.
We'll see when it seeds, right?
Yeah.
So Nick's gonna probably head out and seed in a couple weeks, do some oats, right?
Into some oats, we'll be seeding some winter rye and some cover crops.
Okay, winter rye and cover crops into the oats that he's gonna be harvesting off, hopefully.
Yep.
We've had just a great time out here at Nick's, and we really thank you for having us out here, hiring us to work on this. If I knew how much work it was, I might not have agreed, but it worked out. It's worth it, we're learning. Now we've got an ADX2230 under our belt. The sky's the limit now. If we can do this, we can do anything.
Right.
And we got the SDX drill all buttoned up, new discs, scrapers, pivots, main pivots, closing wheel arm pivots, and just really it's gonna do a good job.
It was
cool.
a good rebuild,
Yeah?
Sure.
Well, thanks again, Nick. Hey guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Talk to you later.